Good morning, my dear students. I myself Om Prakash sir. In my today video topic, I am going to explain about the adjective and their kinds. Student, first of all, I am going to tell you about the adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. There are some kinds of adjectives. It is classified in different categories. Proper adjectives, possessive adjective, distributive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, quantitative adjectives, qualitative adjectives, and interrogative adjectives. The first of all, I am going to explain about the proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are such adjectives which formed from proper noun. Proper adjectives such adjective which formed from proper nouns, like that noun India and the adjectives is India to Indian, America, American. Noun, the term India and the America is in noun, and their adjectives are India, Indian, America, American, China, Chinese, Shakespeare, Shakespearean. After that, possessive adjective. In the possessive adjective, my, our, your, his, their, her, its are called the possessive adjective. There are some examples of possessive adjective. This is my house. This is my house. Here mine is the term. It just gives the sense of authorities. Possessive, it gives the sense of authority or the possession. This is my house. Our friends are good. Whose friends are good? Our friends, not others. Our friend. Here our is the possessive. And in the first sentence, this is my house. So my, our, your, his, their, her, its are gives the sense of the authorities and having the honor of such things. Later on, distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are each, every, either, neither. Each, every, either, neither. Each is used for more than two. Each is always used for more than two. Like that, there were 2, 3, 10 boys. Each boy was handsome. There were 3 boys. Each, every, either, neither. Each boy has completed his work. Either side of the road is clean. Either and neither is used. Either and neither always used for only for two. There are 2 novels on the table. Neither novel is interesting. Each, every, each and every, either, neither always used with a noun. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. In the demonstrative adjectives, there are two. There are two forms: definite adjectives and the indefinite adjectives. Definite adjectives and the indefinite adjective. What is a definite adjective? These, that, these, those, such are called the definite adjectives. And what are the indefinite adjectives? A, an, another, certain, any another, or any other are called the indefinite adjectives. It is very important to just keep into the mind that an, certain, another, this and that are always used for the singular countable noun, and such, the same, the other, any plus singular or plural countable noun. The such, the same and the other always used with the singular or plural countable noun. Just take an example. Such a book. Thus, these, those, certain, other plus plural countable nouns always used with the these, those, certain, other always used with the plural countable noun. After that, numeral adjectives. Numeral adjective has two forms: cardinal, definite cardinals or the ordinals. In cardinals, it is give the sense of 1, 2. What are the cardinals adjectives? When we saying about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., they are called the cardinals. And what are the ordinals? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth are called the ordinals. Numeral adjectives. Cardinals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are called the cardinals. Ordinals, like that, there is only one boy in the classroom. There is only one boy in the classroom. This sentence gives the definite number of a person or the thing. Ordinals: he stood first in the classroom. He stood first in the classroom. He won the second prize. He just stand up in the third. All these are in the ordinals. Quantitative adjectives like that: much, little, whole, a lot of, lots of, a great deal of, etc. are called the quantitative adjectives. He has bought many oranges. He has bought many oranges. There are lots of fruits spread out on the ground. Here in these two examples, many, lots of, a great deal of, a lot of all are the examples of quantitative adjectives. Qualitative adjectives. It shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. It shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. He is a handsome man. What kind of man he is? He is a handsome man. It shows about in this sentence, he is a handsome man, and it is their quality to being a handsome man. She is an intelligent girl. What type of girl she is? Intelligent girl. She is a kind girl. So, qualitative adjective, it shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. Interrogative adjectives. when we ask any questions to someone, when we inquire something to others, in this situation we use which, what, why, when, how. So these are called the interrogative adjective. Like, what book do you like most? What book do you like most? Where where his house is? Where are you playing now? So in this video, students, we have already studied about the adjectives and their kinds. Once again, I am just going to revise all this one by one. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality is show the kind or quality of a person or thing. Patna is a big city. Here Patna is a big city. Here Patna is a, it shows about the what type of Patna city is. Patna is a big city. He is an clever boy. He is a clever boy. What type of a person he is? He is a clever boy. Adjective of quantities, it shows how much of a thing is meant for. Adjective of quantity, it shows how much of a thing is meant for. Like that, he ate some fruits. He ate some fruits. He showed much patience in the field. He showed much patience in the field. We have had enough exercise. All these are the sentence are in the adjective of quantity, because it gives the sense and shows about how much of a thing is meant. Some, much, enough are shows how much of a thing and about the quantity. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, it answers the questions how much. Adjective of quantity, it gives the answer. Adjective of quantity answered the question how much. Adjective of number, it shows how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stand. Like that, we have five players. We have 5 players. How much player? We have only 5 players. All men must die. All men must die. Few, no, many, all, some, several, etc. All adjectives of numbers answer the questions how many. Demonstrative adjectives, it points out which persons or thing is meant for. These, that, these, those, such. Interrogative adjectives, they are used with nouns to ask questions. What manner of man is he? Whose book is this? So students, in this video we have already learnt about the adjectives and their kinds. In our forthcoming videos, I am going to tell you about something more about in different topic.